Let's open up some more. Ooh, this one has 3 inside of it. All right. Okay. So we have Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we have the doTERRA LRP unboxing for November, and there's plenty of things to be thankful for, and that's because wellness is not just something you do when things go wrong. This is a lifestyle, and it's important to not get ready, but stay ready. And this doTERRA LRP is basically like Christmas in a box, a month early, and we're going to get right into it. So let's do it. All right. Alrighty, here we go. Yeah, it's exciting. I got a lot of free products this month as well. So we have some sustainable packaging as well, using the paper, biodegradable, very important. Put that off to the side. We have all these goodies. Look at that. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Alright, so let's talk about what we got for free. I'm going to set those aside, so I'm going to just kind of line everything up here. So we have, I know I got that for free. One of those, paid for these, and then paid for. Okay, here we go. So these are the items that I got for free this month in the box, and then these are the items that I paid for. So let's cover the ones that I paid for first, starting with doTERRA's one of the best selling product that they have, which is the doTERRA Lifelong Vitality Pack, which helps you with a lot of different things. I call them the 3 Amigos. This is the vegan version. They have a regular version as well. And this is the Alpha CRS Plus. This is energy in a bottle without caffeine, without sugar. Here is the ingredient list, which I also have videos on YouTube. You can check out more details. There's a cellular energy blend. You have the cellular longevity blend, the doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend as well. So lots of things to help with energy and digestion. Put that off to the side here. Then next we have the VE Omega to support brain, muscle, and joint function. And then we have some vitamins. That's right. We have the Vegetarian Omega blend, the CPTG Essential Oil blend, which contains clove, frankincense, thyme, cumin, wild orange, peppermint, ginger, and caraway. So a number of oils to help you with your brain, joint, and muscles. Very important as well. And these are providing a lot of the things that are missing from the standard American diet that I mentioned in other videos, or the SAD diet of hamburger, hot dog, pizza, french fries, all that stuff, high heat treated, especially the oils, void of nutrients, void of nutrient density. So we're basically giving our body what it's not getting on a daily basis, even if you eat healthy. I use that quotation. Yeah. Then we have the Vegan Microplex VMZ. So this is a vitamin and mineral supplement. And then you see it contains some vitamins, some minerals here that, you know, there's a saying, you are what you eat, but you are what you absorb is more important to consider. And that's what these are focused on, is absorption into your cells. We have the whole food blend, the active enzyme blend to help break down foods, which I'm going to talk about shortly as well, and the Tummy Tamer blend. So again, a focus on digestion. And what I do is I put these in AM and PM capsules, and you take 2 in the morning and 2 in the early afternoon, and that will help support your energy, digestion, your nutrients that you're missing from your diet. And I just took some actually before I filmed this video. And you don't want to take these supplements at night before you go to bed, because you could potentially stay up tossing and turning, because your body is getting a lot of energy from a cellular level, which is helping you. Oh. Okay, let's put this on silent. And that's because these are helping you on a cellular level to give you energy, and so you definitely don't want to take these at night before you go to bed. That's why I said morning and early afternoon are ideal. Next, I got 3, actually I got 4 of them, but I got 1 for free here, which I'm going to talk about as well. But the Fractionated Coconut Oil. Now, this is an important product that I have, because there's like 3 different ways to moisturize your skin. You have lotion, you have organic and raw coconut oil, which is another option, and then you have fractionated coconut oil. And I have all 3. Whoa, almost lost it and I only had 2. But yeah, so I have all 3. And why do I use fractionated coconut oil? Well, it's non-greasy, odorless, it's for topical use, and what it does is it helps the essential oils absorb better into your skin, and then it also reduces the chance of irritation. Now, if I were to use organic and raw coconut oil, that's great for cooking, and it's also great for moisturizing my skin, but it has more of a greasy slip and slide feel to it, and it takes a lot longer to absorb into your skin. It kind of sticks around. If you want to put on clothes after a shower, it makes it kind of hard. And then you have lotion. And so doTERRA has a Bath & Body odorless lotion that I actually use as well, and I kind of tested it out, which is good, and it does moisturize my skin. Mission accomplished, right? But when I try to put essential oils on top of my skin after I've put that lotion on, it doesn't rub as easily on. Now the essential oil goes on really well after I put the organic and raw coconut oil, but this fractionated coconut oil is kind of a middle ground, meaning it moisturizes your skin like the lotion and the organic and raw coconut oil, but at the same time, it helps the essential oils go on a lot easier, and then it reduces the chance of irritation. But the main thing that differentiates this from organic and raw coconut oil is that it's non-greasy. And so this is kind of like the best of all the worlds for topical application of moisturization and essential oils. And that's why I love these, and I try to get these as much as I can. It's kind of like a little treat as well to give my skin a nice moisturization. There's only one ingredient. It's just fractionated coconut oil. They've removed the MCT, or medium chain triglycerides, and so that is what makes these. Right, and that's that. And then we have Terrazyme right here. So these are enzymes, digestive enzymes that help break down your foods, proteins, fats, carbs, sugars, fibers. Here's a list here. It's probably easier to view it this way. So yeah, that's what that list is. And then there's also the Tummy Tamer blend to support digestion as well. And so that is very, very important. Ideally, you take one of these capsules if your meal is 1/3 cooked, you take 2 if your meal is 2/3 cooked, and you take 3 if your meal is completely cooked, 30 minutes before you eat, so that a bed of enzymes is laid on your stomach and the food falls on top of that. So that is ideal to do with this. And those are the enzymes. And then lastly of the items that I paid for this month is the PB Assist Plus, Probiotic Assistance Plus. And these are beneficial microorganisms that support your digestion and your immune system, which is very important during these times. And all these supplements, you know, Lifelong Vitality Pack and a lot of these other things are supporting your immune system as well. But yeah, these definitely give you a defense, and that's the formula. That's what it says, Probiotic Defense Formula. And I take these every day. So again, it's not about getting ready, it's about staying ready and supporting my immune system that way. Now let's get into the items that I got for free. All right, this box. So I'm gonna have a list down below in the description area of this video that kind of gives a little recap of all the items I bought, as well as which ones I got for free using points or product credits, as well as the free product of the month. And so that's how I got these for free. And I've done videos on product credits and the doTERRA LRP program as well, so you can picture that. But basically, it's like a frequent flyer or hotel rewards program where the more you buy, which is these items that I already showed you, the more you get for free over time, and you can select what you want, which is really nice. So there's customization aspects of this. And so I got the doTERRA On Guard Cleaner Concentrate right here. And as you can see, this is great for cleaning surfaces, dishes, toilets and sinks, or your floors as well, which I add a little bit. And less is more. Definitely don't want to put too much in like an automatic dishwasher because it will bubble up everything. So I put very, very little in whatever I do. You know, I follow these directions here, and sometimes I put a little bit less because, again, it's very, well, that's what it's called, On Guard Cleaner Concentrate. Keyword on the concentrate. But yeah, this is a non-toxic green cleaner that will take care of those harmful microorganisms that are on various surfaces. Then we have, I got for free a fractionated coconut oil, so I paid for 3 and then I chose to get 1 for free. So I'm not going to cover the benefits of that again, since you already know that. And then this was the product of the month, Litsea. So let's see what this smells like. Oh, because, okay, never mind. Let's just get right into it. And, oh, what does that remind me of? Okay, that was in, yeah, that's what I smell. Wow, that is good. I like that. So if you want more details on Litsea, I'll have a video on it, or doTERRA will have a page on their website that has more information as well. But yeah, let's see, and learn more about this. There you go. I also have some more quick benefits down here of Litsea, so you can see what that's all about. Okay, I am very punned out with that oil, or maybe punned in. Ooh, I could be a pundit for oils. Okay, I'm done. Done for real. So this is the sustainable packaging for the other oils that I got for free this month. And we have Breathe, which I use every day. So this is a blend, an amazing blend, laurel leaf, eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravinsara, and then ravinsara. There you go. So this supports your immune system and breathing and respiratory function. Very, very important. There you go. Wild orange, citrus oil here. Cleans your hands, uplifts your mood. It's called the happy oil or oil of abundance, and for good reason. I also put this in my green smoothies. And whenever you're using citrus oils, it's important not to go outside. Use proper sun protection, typically something with zinc oxide, something natural. And there you go. You want to wait at least 15 minutes before you go outside applying this topically. And you want to make sure to use citrus oils internally with doTERRA only in glass, stainless steel, or ceramic mugs, or coffee mugs. So there you go. Boom. All right, let's open up some more. Ooh, this one has 3 inside of it. All right. Okay. So we have another Breathe, because I like to have back stock or backups of oils. Another wild orange, and then grapefruit. Oh yeah. So what I like to do primarily with the citrus oils is I use them in my green smoothies. I also, after I drink kombucha bottles that I get from Sprouts or Whole Foods, I fill them up with reverse osmosis water, a little bit of raw and organic apple cider vinegar, and then 1 drop per 4 ounces of a citrus oil in there. And then sometimes I add trace minerals in there as well. And so that's going to give a very flavorful drink that's 0 calories, supports my immune system, supports my digestion, and that is really what's helped me stay healthy all year long. This is one of the first years, even during this pandemic that's been going on, that I haven't gotten under the weather. And that's really important. It's because I've been doing that drink as well as maintaining, managing stress levels, working out, eating very healthy. I eat plant-based. But I would attribute a lot of that to that drink that I just mentioned, because that's one of the main things I've been doing most consistently, drinking half my body weight in ounces every day, which is about 5 of those containers. And they look like this. So yeah, this is the best brand. It's a premium brand. It's organic, non-GMO. It's got probiotics. It's a sparkling tea. It's got enzymes, polyphenols, electrolytes. This is the real deal right here. So it's worth the usually $3 to $4 per bottle. And think of it as a healthy treat that keeps you well. And when it's done, it can definitely be a good way to use these citrus oils as well. So let's continue with the last of the free, because this box is empty. That's right. And then we have a tangerine, and then we have another wild orange. I stocked up on wild orange this month because I use so much. Again, clean my hands, it softens my hands, it doesn't leave them greasy, and then it supports my immune system, puts like a natural barrier on my hands that protects me from, when I touch door handles or when I go to the bathrooms at public locations, whether it be restaurants or airports or anywhere. I use these citrus oils instead of the bathroom hand soap because it's so effective at, again, supporting my immune system and moisturizing my hands, and then I'm protected. Natural barrier. And then tangerine is just another spin on that. All these citrus oils are like different types of brothers, sisters, cousins, with regards to the smells that they have. But tangerine, just a lovely smell. Again, it's going to support your immune system. Great for smoothies. Great to use in those glass, stainless steel, or ceramic containers for drinks, or primarily those GTs. This is a different flavor, but yeah, another empty GT that I use. And this is what it looks like when I do the thing. Reverse osmosis water, about up to here, and then trace minerals to replace what was lost in the reverse osmosis. Fulvic and humic acid trace minerals that are plant-based, that's that. And then I use these citrus oils, 1 drop per 4 ounces, so this is about 16 ounces, so I will use about 4 drops of this, 2 to 4 drops. And then I will use the apple cider vinegar, just enough to maybe like a teaspoon to kind of, pizzazz things up, because that apple cider vinegar has a little kick to it, but it's a good kick because it's providing, remnants of the mother or probiotics, the beneficial microorganisms. And this already had it, but when it's empty, kind of reduce, reuse, recycle, that reuse part definitely comes in. I get use out of these bottles so much. And that is basically everything for my doTERRA LRP. Let's take a look at everything. This is, holy smokes, you're like, oh my gosh, look at all this. I got a lot for free. Like, I used over 100 points, and that's basically everything right there. Looks like a lot, but doesn't look like a lot. And the next step for me is to, number 1, put things where, I can't help but use them. So the kitchen, the bathroom primarily, or pantry. And then step 2 is to pre-open them or get them prepped. So, take the plastics off, put them in my AM and PM capsules if I have to do so. replace or put them in, you know, wherever my back stock is, so I can grab and go if I need to. And the main purpose of all that is to just reduce barriers to use. Because if I remove everything in this, I can just kind of grab and go. And same with these, if I know where they're at or if they're within eyesight or arm length reaching, then I can use them more easily. And that's the whole purpose of this, is to use them, not so they collect dust or become a paperweight, you know, for stuff. We don't want that. We want these to be used and to benefit your life and your quality of life, which they've definitely done for me from an energy, digestion, immune system, stress, and also the fifth one would be an acne standpoint, like clear skin. So very beneficial. Love these products, and I can't wait to show you what I have for next month. But that concludes this month. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Share this video with somebody that would benefit from it. And most importantly, check out the other videos by searching my name as well as any product on YouTube to learn more. And I will see you in the next video, because there's a lot of concentrated goodness coming up. Oh yeah, once you're able to focus in on it, yeah, clean things right up in your life.